wet wipe. You have probably heard of me. Of course, that's obvious, because this last year I've become internationally famous.
Oh, I saw you in the newspapers.
What? I didn't hear anything. I'm going to ask an expert.
Hi, I work in the water consortium. Wet wipes are increasingly found in sewer networks, which can cause many problems in the management of wastewater.
And what does that mean?
High additional costs and undesirable outcomes.
So what you mean is that throwing wet wipes down the toilet increases the water bills?
That's it. In this graphic, you can see the economical impact it has had in different countries and cities. For example, the total cost in Europe is worth 1,000 million euros per year. And when a collapse happens, untreated wastewater is discharged into the environment, polluting rivers and lakes.
Is that true? Unfortunately, yes. To give you an idea, in a city like Bilbao, 8 tons of wet wipes are thrown down the toilet each day.
Wow, but why do they get stuck?
To be honest, I don't know. You're a scientist, aren't you? Do you know why?
Yes, I work in a large paper company, and we had just become the first manufacturer in the world to produce Araflas, an innovative 100% natural and totally biodegradable flammable paper, composed 100% by cellulose fibers without any plastic fibers or binders.
And what is a flammable product considered?
A truly flammable product disintegrates immediately, and therefore it doesn't only pass through the toilet, but also it doesn't cause any blockage. Now I will do an experiment. In this bottle I will introduce an Araflas wipe, and in this other a conventional wipe in the market. Now I will shake both bottles, and when the presentation finishes, you will see the different results.
Okay, so now I understand. I'm a biodegradable product, but you can't throw me away because I'm not disposable.
That's it. It's like an apple. It's biodegradable, but when you throw it down the toilet, it creates a blockage. People must know that wet wipes should be thrown into the bin, as you wouldn't throw a bottle down the toilet.
So, wet wipes are wrongly labeled.
That's it. Most hygienic wet companies sell their product labeled as flushable when they are not. The fact is that there are not any international tests which deal with this. Currently, an ISO standard is being elaborated and is expected to be approved.
Okay, well, so I've got it. What you have to do is transform the problem into an opportunity to achieve a social and environmental benefit. We should follow the blue economy business model, and at the same time we will work on social awareness.
Hi, I'm Gunter Pauli, the founder of Blue Economy, a system of production and consumption based on what do you have. In this model, waste doesn't exist. In your proposal, utility wipes cannot be reused like wipes, but they can have a new life as another product.
What? I can't understand anything.
Okay, the purpose is to reuse wipes. Not like wipes, but as another product.
Well, but what can we get out of them?
You should analyze the wipes, and once you know their composition, you can come up with the perfect idea.
Hello, I'm a chemist. I have been hearing about your project. I'm able to analyze the wet wipes with an infrared spectroscopy of attenuate projectants.
Oh, that could be great!
After analyzing the clean wipes, I realized that they were mainly composed of polyethylene terephthalate, commonly abbreviated as PET. It's a heat insulator, which means that this material is suitable to prevent the heat passing through it.
Oh, so what about utilizing used wipes as a stuffing of duvets, pillows, or even jackets?
Yes, that function would be perfect.
Okay, so inspired in Blue Economy, I have had an idea. We should make wipes follow this circular process. First, wipes should be thrown into the pink containers for wipes that would be distributed throughout the city. After that, wipes should be collected and carried to water processing facilities, where the cleaning and drying process would take place. Then, the manufacturing process would take place, and finally, the final product could be sold.
Oh yeah! The problem becomes an opportunity!
Excuse me. You must be realistic. Are you sure this process will work? You have to test it.
She's right. As a trial period, we can carry out a pilot phase to check the effectiveness of the procedure. I believe that the fastest and most effective way to collect used wipes is in nursery schools. I will call them now.
Good morning. This is the director of Bilbo's Nursery School. Who am I speaking with?
Hi, I'm a member of eColors team, and we want to make a used wipes collection.
Well, but what's going on? Why do we need to collect used wet wipes? And how can I help you?
We would like you to keep every used wipes from your schools to reuse them as staffing.
Okay, but for that purpose, each nursery will need a special bin with a lid so as to prevent from bad smell.
Don't worry, it's not a problem. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so the first step is completed.
But now, what will we do with those used wipes?
I've already thought about that. Here, look, here is a prototype of a dust.
Okay, we need help. I think that we should contact Ocharki, an organization of young people in Ochalcoaga, a district of Bilbao. We can call them to see if they're interested in working with us.
Let's call them.
Hello?
Hello, I'm a member of eColors team, and we are working on a project about reusing wet wipes.
Oh, that's interesting, but what is your proposal?
We have thought about staffing the wets with clean and dried wipes, and your organization could manufacture them.
Oh, I'm pretty interested. So, what you would do is to take the wet wipes, clean and dry them, and make UX. So then we will sell them. I love it.
Fantastic, thanks, bye.
Bye.
Oh, this is incredible. This is not only a scientific project. We are also solving a global and social problem. In this way, we are contributing to environmental sustainability, building up social capital, raising income and creating jobs. And in addition to this, we are helping people change their way of thinking, acting and being.
Oh, that sounds really good. But what about social awareness? You must make people aware of the problems caused by wipe waste and encourage them to throw the used wipes into the bin container. Please.
Don't worry, we have already think about that. And we have designed this campaign to encourage people to use the bin container.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much. You have presented an innovative solution in order to solve the problems related to my disposal. Mother Earth will thank you.
Hey! Here you can see the different results. Wipe, no wipe.